this space here?
Okay, around the Tasia, we don't have a beautiful salon or barber shop like this one. So we decided to start something unique in this area, which it has been good. We are picking. I can't complain. It's a good business. Or making hair. It's all about beauty.
Yes.
Yeah, you see?
And you love beauty.
Yeah. We have ladies around.
Yeah.
So we make them. We make beauty is all we need.
Yeah, okay, awesome. So, you make the nails, you make the hair.
Yes, we make the hair, we make the nails, we do body massage, we have another room for body massage, and we also cut hair. Yeah.
Okay. So, you felt that there was a need, and that's why you came.
Yeah.
And so, how long have you been here?
We have been here for 2 months now.
2 months?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Na 2 months biashara iko sawa ama inaenda ikipika ama
si mbaya, si nzuri. Kama vile unajua biashara huwezi expect ipike mara moja. Like we have already this the second month. We thank God at least we can get something to put on the table, and also we are really picking up the clients. They are very happy.
Okay, so for the past 2 months that you have been here, how has the business been? One, you have to consider we have had elections which feel like they have been happening for, like, campaigns have been happening for the longest time. So has that affected your business?
Okay, I can't complain about that because tukianza already kulikuwa na hiyo nini ya campaign. So most of people will stay home. When people are home, they take care of their skin, some take care of their nails. So that time to get clients. Clients were really coming, and we were also offering a good service to them, so that when they came in, they don't get a chance of going anywhere else. Yeah.
So they're like, this is my place.
Yeah.
This is my plug for hair.
Yeah.
My plug for nails. My plug for the cut.
Yeah.
Mwanzo, the people who get their hair cut are very loyal. Like the men in my life are very loyal. If this is where I get my hair cut, it's it.
So we have to convince them. Kutoka mtu atoke huko penye alikuwa ananyolewa kikuja hapa, we have to do a lot of job.
Yeah.
Kumweka hapa si rahisi, because ataona let me try here nione kama kuna different na penye naendanga. So akikuja una ensure umempea all the best. Ndio asijaribu kutoka. And that is what we offer.
Yeah,
that's
good. Hapo tumepatia tick.
Thank you.
So having this space, what are the challenges that you faced having such a business? Because uona like watu wengi wanalia biashara iko chini, biashara iko hivi, and business is solely dependent on the client. If the clients don't come, there's no money, and also I'm sure there are bills, there's electricity, there's water, there's all these products that you have to buy. So what are the challenges you've been facing so far?
Okay, the first challenges that we are facing is location. So the location where we are, umeona iko na ndani. So ni ule mtu wengine wanapenda kuenda tao sijui nini. So tumewaletea hizi vitu na karibu ndio wakuje huku. So unaona like hao watafanya vile wale wanafanya ukweli. So before uingie uone kitu inafanywa, hawatajua kama we are also doing it the best vile wanafanya huko. Yeah. The second thing is charging them. Mtu atakuja aone it's the first time and we are opening, we need a discount of this and this. So tukitaka kuwaleta tutawapunguzia. Unaona tukipunguza bei rent haiji tunajifinyilia, because rent bado tutalipa tu hivyo, tutalipa wafanyikazi. So hizi ndio challenges tunaona, but we hope tutapata change very soon.
Yeah, but you see, like you mentioned something about location. On a Pinyeiko, it's a space that is growing.
Yeah.
So probably the more watu wanaona kuna salon kai, so wanakuwa na confidence on okay, sawa basi maybe I can come. And then you said when they come, they don't go.
Yeah, they stay.
Yeah. Wow. Okay. So tell us about your prices. For example, I want to get. There's this hairstyle that is very popular, kama braids, like knotless braids. How much do you charge?
Okay, msichana wangu wenye tuko nao for knotless, she's doing a really good job. Actually customer yenye nimepata so far wengi imekuwa ya knotless. Mtu anaenda anambia pale nilishukua knotless vizuri, anarudi. So knotless kuna short na kuna long. Mtu atakuja anataka very long, very short. Najua kuna slay queen pia atataka ikuwe very very long.
Yeah.
So very long tunacharge at 1500. There's a short yenye si short si long tunacharge at 1200, and then the shorter braid, so that is 1000.
Does that include the braid or just?
No, that is just
the service.
Yeah, the service.
Okay.
Yeah. But we also have the braids here. Braids price yake is the same, just 70. Whether you go where you go, it's 70.
One, you know, there's something that you mentioned about products and pricing, like your high change, and something about us ladies. When we go somewhere, we want to get everything done. I want to get my hair done, I want to get my nails done, if possible I want to get my makeup done. So will there be a discount for that, or ama itakuwa hapa tukishuka, if we go below this now tutaumia?
Sasa kuna watu wengine, kuna customer atakuja ataona product yenye tunawa offer ina talk about the money, because customer anaweza kuja sema mwambie nitakupaka nails na 3 so atakuwa like 3 so ataona there is something wrong here, because quality nzuri utapata na 500 everywhere. So ataona huyu mbona amenipea na 3 so kuna kitu ama product zake si poa. Yeah. So most of ladies wanapenda products equal very original, especially when it comes to their skin. Like we also offer makeups over here, skin, so we go for vitu original.
Especially if skin is original.
Yeah.
So you also do makeup?
Yes, I have very good makeup.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. And how much do you charge for full on face? For there are people who like natural, like me, very subtle, you can't tell but you tell.
Yes.
You know. And there's those ones who are like, yes, I'm here to glam. So for such a person, how do you charge?
That one is 1500, and for yours is like 1000, but kama simba yangu naweza nipea tu 1200. Yes.
Okay. How wanasema you use like
original. Yeah, the products are very original.
The ladies who have very sensitive skin.
Yes.
Okay.
And the nails, and also the hizi za kupaka kucha, kuna zingine zenye ukipakia mtu zitatokana nini, products ziko different.
Gel wiki moja
ishatoka. Sasa kuna wale wenye wanajua what they want. They really come for what they want. So wakiingia ndani waone ile product yangu iko pale, watakuja hapo. Wapate hiyo product haiko, wataenda. And so far I'm so happy with the clients wenye nimepata, because when they have a problem they just tell me, Carol, this and this I was not happy about this. So when your client tell you about that, mimi nitapata vile nitamtengeneza. They are very nice.
And that's good. I like that, because you know there are places where we go and the service provider is very arrogant, like, okay, you know, you go, end up in your mona basi wanafanya vizuri, you know. So it's very important that you're patient with your client. If the client says this, you're attentive, you're like, okay, and my apology, my sincere apologies, you know, we will do better, come at a discount, you know, because we wanted to keep you.
Yeah. Actually, that is what I do.
Yeah. Una make sure client talk up before satisfied customer.
Yeah.
Now, something I have noticed with many beauty spaces is that they go beyond and sell accessories and things like that.
Yeah.
You know, facial products, and then, so do you guys do the same?
Yes, we do the same.
Okay. So you sell?
Yes, we have for selling, and if you want us to do it for you, we do it here.
Okay. And what is your price range?
Not that bad. It's just the same as going to town everywhere. But the price is just the same. Hatujaongeza.
Do you sell earrings?
Yes, we sell earrings. They are 500. Yeah. Because kuna earring ya 50 na ya so. But kuna ile yenye kuna earrings zenye ziko original. Yaani ukishavaa kwa masikio utaanza kuja usiwe. Yeah, unaona. Kama hizi zangu nimevaa almost 6 months. They are very okay. There kuwa na issues. Yeah. So I really sell for them what I know. Not that when I sell to the client then anarudi ku complain that masikio nini na unajua wasichana. They really complain.
And then, you know, for us as ladies, I don't know if I'm sure I'm speaking for many. If I don't like the service, if I do not feel appreciated, I'm not coming back. There's no way you can convince me, you know.
Yeah.
So, but if I feel like I have a voice and you're considerate and you're doing a good job, and you know, I'm like, okay, sawa basi, nitarudi. If I feel place, yani, like the ladies who are loyal also. If I get good earrings here, this is where I'm going to come. This is where I'm like, hey, by the way, niko na dinner next week. So can I get any kids layering? So can I color? You know, trust me. So now, you've said something about, you know, you do nails.
Yes.
Kama hizi zangu mine are tips. So how much do you charge?
Tip we charge at 1,000 bob. 1,000. We have the different type of tips. Okay. Kuna zile zenye zinavunjika. Kuna ile ya plastic. I think I can just show you one. You see? Okay. I have one here. There's these ones. Kuna ile ya plastic yenye utaona tu wenyewe hii haiwezi vunjika.
Kama hii sasa ni gani?
Hiyo ni tip.
Hii ni tip bado.
Yeah. So let me just show you this. Okay. Unaona kama hii hata by mistake kucha iende hivi haiwezi vunjika.
Ni plastic,
yeah, it's flexible. Yeah.
Okay, guys, see.
So hiyo haiwezi hata haiwezi nini yako.
Hata ukisema nothing, you just find yourself getting those minor incidents and then kucha
inaumia.
So this you can't experience.
Yeah,
that's
okay.
Okay, so hizi ndo sasa. Okay.
Sasa hizi ndio alafu hizi ni they are the same but this is
zile sasa
zinaweza so inalingana na unajua watu pia wako na classes zao. Okay. Someone can afford this, someone cannot afford.
So for this one, how much does this go for?
This one is for 1,000 bob. This is 1,500.
Oh, this is 1,500.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, okay. Na hizi venye ziko, can they be filed?
Yes, they are being filed.
Oh, okay.
We have many type of them. You see these ones, they are the same as these ones too.
Oh, they are still the flexible ones?
Yes.
Guys, can you see?
Oh
wow! Yeah. This is a game changer. This is a game
changer. Products.
Okay, yes. Now we like this. This is good. I like the new inventions that are coming. Yeah. Now speaking of inventions, Monzo, you've not told us like. So there's the tips. Do you do acrylics? Do you do gel?
Yes.
Okay, acrylics. How much do you charge?
2,000.
And the gel just. Gel
is 500.
A simple manicure.
Yeah, that is 500.
Yeah. Do you do pedicure?
Yes.
Like how much?
Na Q-Tex is 700. Na gel is 1,000.
Yeah. Okay. Now, we have talked about this very flexible tips, which I love. But this is the first time I've seen them. Rather, I've never known that there's such tips, because otherwise, you know, this is a go-to for sure. Because you'd get an accident, bleed, and there's nothing you can do. Yeah.
And then ukirudi kutengeneza unasikia uchungu, you feel like it's
awesome. Because there's a time I went to get my nails done, and a salonist was like, I don't want to see you here for like a month. Just give your nails some time, and it's because of those accidents. Like accidentally, like something, you know.
This one you can even wash your clothes very comfortable.
Yeah. I like that. Now, you see, like the beauty, it keeps evolving. As in, Mara Ona, we just had this tip. Now it's changed, and there's this, yes, but there's the flexible one. There are very many designs in terms of art for like the nails and the hair. Like we never had knotless braids until probably like 2 years ago.
The style keep on coming.
Yeah, the styles are still. So how do you, as a salon, barber and spa, keep with the times?
Okay, what we do a lot, we have, you can say we have a television over here, and we have the Wi-Fi. Sometimes when new things come, we learn them. Kila kitu ni kulearn, unasoma. Kila siku ni siku ya kusoma. Ile kitu yenye hukujua, unajua kesho. Because sometimes tutaingia asubuhi, maybe tufanye cleaning, tupate kama zile client hayuko, we can say, Monica, make my nails, we see you learn hapa, niweke gel, nione vile unaweka, and then tena kesho niweke yake. So tuna improve day by day. Anaona nilikuweka vizuri, sasa naweza weka client. Yeah, that is what we do.
Wow, awesome. Now, in the sector of the spa, kuna facial, kuna massage. Are there different types of facials? Are there different types of massages? Amani, one size fits all, like one design, one way.
No, because it's just like a school or some or a career. No, kwa career yangu mimi nimelearn maybe hair. I'll do hair. Very good. na kuna ule mtu wako tu specific ya massage, hiyo massage ndiye amesomea, so atafanya massage vile yeye anajua, na mimi nitafanya nails vile anajua. So far mimi sijui massage, so mimi najua nails, I'll go do my nails. But ile time yenye tuko peke yetu, because I want to learn, I can go and see what is being done, yeah, so that tomorrow I practice with my colleague. So you never know, the next day I will be the best person doing massage. Yeah.
Sasa kuna different types of massages ama ni?
Yeah, there's body massage.
Okay.
There's head massage.
Okay.
Kuna half massage. Kuna leg massage. Someone just want you to umnyoroshe miguu. Yeah.
Oh, okay. And so what is the price range?
Okay, the body massage is 2,500, which is very cheap because we are starting. And then there's a head massage which is 500, and then there's a, so kuna hizi zingine zenye customer taongea vile mnaelewana, nasema mimi nilikuwa nataka nifanye kutoka hapa mpaka hapo, na mwambia hapo nitakufanyia na 500, ama sema sina 500, usinifanyie 300. So mnaelewana, ni kuelewana between you and the client. Yeah.
Are there special products for the massage?
Yes. Massage is very, very important. Na uwezi mix vitu zake na vitu zingine, because it's something that goes to someone's body, not, and there are some people who are very sensitive about their body. So lazima tuko na different type of the product. So we unajua mwili yako inahitaji nini, so utasema you have this, because most of them when wanafanya wanajua what they use. Kama ni mtu mwingine anakuambia body yangu ni hivi, iko hivi, mko na mtu kama huyo, then now you will advise the customer, I think when you use this will be good on you. Yeah, that is what I do.
Awesome. So now the face. The face is also very sensitive.
Yeah.
So there are different types of facial.
Yes.
Yeah. And you do them all.
Yes.
Okay.
Scrubbing.
Mask.
Yeah.
Okay. Steam.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are the packages now for it?
Okay. The skimming is 700, and then scrubbing is 500. The other one is I think we have the mask ni 700 too. Yeah. So unajua mask hapana, kuna procedure. Bado unaanza tu na hiyo scrubbing. Ukianza na scrubbing alafu ndio unaweka mask, alafu ndio unatoa mask, ndio tena unamosha na maji moto. Yeah. Unampanguza na maji moto, that is.
Tunaosha.
Unampanguza.
Awesome. Honestly, that was very enlightening. Thank you so much. Cannot be time. I don't know kama kuna kitu hatujasema. Tumesema yote. Thank you so much. We have learned so much today about the nails, about the hair, about massage, and where can you be found? Okay, because kuna watu yani umewaconvince like customer
anataka tu kukuja hapa. So kama unatoka side ya town, ukatoka na town, unapanda gari yenye inakuja Fedha, unashuka Fedha stage, then uchukua pikipiki ya 50 bob inakuleta Tasia School Annex. The building is inaitwa Superboma. Is a new building, it's a very beautiful building, watu wanaijua, inaitwa Superboma. Then we have salsa, salon, spa here, just and barber shop. Yeah. So just inviting mwenye nasikia, we have my number, you can call me, I can give you direction, you come. We have a very good services here.
Awesome. Yeah. I'm convinced. Kidogo I come.
Yeah, come. Hata utatoka kama hujafanywa kitu.
I was just scared. So if you see anything different with me the next time, jua ni hapa. Okay. Now, me, I was busy trying to help Monica here finish her braids, and in the meantime, stay here at Beyond Deals. Thank you so much for tuning in. I've been your host, Rose. Till next time, Kwaheri.